In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Scion XB key fob at home. It's really easy. All you will need is one of these CR2016 batteries and a regular flathead screwdriver. So just follow along. The first step here is to look at the top of the device, and you can see there's a little indentation in the plastic. We're going to insert a flathead screwdriver in and twist. You'll hear a pop, and these two parts will come right apart like that. And from here, we can just use the very same tool to pry the battery out. It can be gentle, but just come in from the bottom here and just get under it. It's really that simple. Well, it'll want to come out once you just put a little pressure in this corner, and it'll pop out. And then you can slide it out with your fingers. Here we go, CR2016 battery. You're gonna take a new one and make sure this positive side goes face up. Just slide it back into place. Click it down. And now just put the back right on top of there and click it all back into place, and you are done. So I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know in the comment section or by just giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any key fob, no matter the make or model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.